Are you a developer or looking to become one but can't find any real conversations on traditional social media? Having a community to immerse yourself in is important. You can join any of the mass social media platforms that are cluttered with memes and non-tech content and filter through everything to find relevant and helpful resources. Or you can join Chat to Dev, a community with all the resources and tools that you need to grow rather than a platform optimized to rack up screen time. With Chat to Dev, you are able to make use of the platform's features, including posts, where you can create articles that will reach other programmers or participate and give feedback in the comments. You can share trends and articles from other websites that are relevant to us programmers rather than scrolling through all the ads and useless posts. And best of all, you can have live conversations with other developers in rooms specific to your language or framework of choice. Everyone at Chat to Dev is looking for a better experience that traditional social media cannot provide. Give us a visit at Chat to Dev today.